Hello guys, welcome to Show Me How, a home of tutorial. So in this video, I will be showing to us how to carry out a name search on the CAC website by substitution method. I did a video where I demonstrated how to carry out a name search, but in that video you don't need to log in before you can do that name search. And one thing I found that sometimes where CAC website is having a technical issue, you carry out name search using that method, all it will be showing you is no result. And maybe if you are just new into the system, you're thinking that because it shows no result, it means you can go ahead and reserve that name, and to your shock it might be declined. You are asking, but my teacher said if it didn't show any result, there's a possibility of reserving it. No, sometimes the CAC website is like that. So at that moment where you began to notice that everything you are putting is showing a result, know that it actually has a technical issue. So what you need to do at that particular time is to go to the website, log in, and do your name search by what we call the substitution method. So watch, I'm going to do it. First, I'll go into the CAC website. To wait until the website loads up, and we have to log in the website. Alright, from what you can see right away, I've already logged into my dashboard. So what I will do is I will click on new name reservation. This is what you do when you want to reserve a name after you have performed a name search. But in this method, we will use it to carry out a name search. So I will click on name search, new name reservation. I'll wait until it loads. Then normally, like you do when you want to reserve a name, you come there on the classification, you choose either is a business name. You can choose anyone for this purpose of what you want to do. So let me choose, like, say, a company, but you also can choose anyone. Let's say private company limited by shares. Then propose name. We always have two options. First option, second option, just for our whole good. In case the first one didn't go, the second one will go. So you put anything. Let me put my company name or my company name. Then I'll click on save, continue. Okay, yeah. TD must end with limited, either a long form or a short form for company. Then I'll click on save or continue. Okay, so here is it now. So normally when you want to reserve a name, reason for your availability search is always a registration, new incorporation registration. But here now, because I don't want to reserve the name, I want to perform a name search, I'll click on name substitution option. See it now, you can see that it has given me search by company name. So I will carry out my search now. Okay, let me carry add some search. Hetty. You could see the result now. Hetty SIP. So what I like about this name search by substitution method, unlike the other one we do, it will give you all the results in one page. Unlike in that one, you click on the section of coupling before that result will display. Click on section of business, but in this case, everything you could see that Hetty SIP is already taken. Hetty treat and SIP is there. So everything that it has to do with SIP, that has to do with Hetty, will be there. Can you see it? It will be there. To be there. Okay, let me do something else for us to see. One of my business name is Braveheart Electrical Services, but I will not type the full name. I was just going to type the first letter, the first word, which is Braveheart. You see it's searching now. You see it brought it out now, even without adding electrical services. Only with that name, it has bring everything. Braveheart Electrical Services. Now this is my business name. Now I want to show you something else. I have another business I want to search for. It's Devix Business Services. So I'm not even bothered. I will full name I just put Devix because it's searching. You will see now the word Devix has been used by several persons. The first person that used it is actually Devix Essentials Vacuum. The other person is Devix Construction Company Limited. The other is Devix. So you could now see my business name as a third on the result, Devix Business Services. The other one is Devix Flourish Enterprise. So you could see it's all right there. So that's how you use the substitution method to carry out a name search. Now the purpose of name search is for you to determine if a name will be approved or not, for you to make that decision. Now let me show you something now. You sometimes what you check for, you will not get it, but you get similar, like something like this. Your son. Okay. I want to show you something like this now. Your son. You could say the same. Your son. Sorry, company information could not be loaded. That means it's not there. But you believe that there was a time I want them to use this name, Your Son Global Ventures, and it was denied. Could you get it? This name was denied. Why? But it was not showing. Why? Look at the reason why it was denied. Because I told you that CAC, CAC will make sure that any name that have the same kind of pronunciation, even though with different spelling, they will not give it to you. And let me show you why this name was rejected. Let's wait for the search. You know, this Joassan and Joassan almost sounds the same. Okay, almost sounds the same. So if there is anything that Joassan has Joassan, okay, you see that this is Joassan Global Vector. You see your Sun global version is already there. But you could see now from the search your Sun. It's not on the search, it's not showing. So if we will add any other listing, it will not still display because this first word has not been used to register anything that is on CAC database. But like I told you, it was denied. Why was it denied? Look at it. Your Sun. Okay, your Sun. This is why it was denied. Your Sun global version. That is to state that when you search for a name that it doesn't appear, it's not enough guarantee that it will appear. So use that same name in another form, like I told you. City. Anything like city. Let's wait. You could see now. This is the result I got from the word city. You could see that is mush. You see that is mush here. You see that is mush here. I told this word city and this word city. Though this city is not found, if you find a name that, for example, like city light, it's a shiny light city in Nigeria. We have Grace Light Global, all of the City of Light Royal, City of Light Joy Ministry, City Light School Limited. So let me show you something. Let me use an example. Say City Light Schools Limited. Is that right? Okay. Now, if I should call here now, I type city. City. No, not issues. Okay. And I go on City Light Schools. No, it didn't show nothing. But if I go ahead to reserve this name to be denied, why? Because even though it didn't display, because there was city like this, and the word city is the same thing to CAC, the same different spelling, but the same thing to CAC. So that is why if I should put this word, city light is displaying now. Look at the result now. Like I have told you, because of these City Light Schools, that name, although it is C/TEE, that's good, it will be rejected because it has the same pronunciation with this one. So that is how to manipulate your way out on a name search. And I will even recommend that use this method of name search to carry out all of your name search that you do. I don't know if I should go on because of the time, so let me do one more before I close this section. Now, for example, I reserved a name. It was rejected. Let me tell you the name. Why it was rejected? It was rejected because of this. No, this is Patmos. You can see Patmos Agro Enterprise, Patmos Clinic, Patmos of Trumpet Ministry, all of these are Patmos investment, and blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. So there are many, I can't really find it now. So let me just type it. Patmos sections. Okay, you will see now that on the second result is Patmos version. But you know, a client gave me a name to reserve, and it was, let's check it out. It was Patmos. You could see now, instead of PTA, PATNUOS. That one was PATNOS. Vectors. No, here now it say sorry, company info could not be loaded. It is not in their database. But you know, when I went on to reserve this name, it was declined. Why? Because of this difference. Patmos. I removed the U now. Then the other one will display. The second one, that was the reason why it was processing. So what I do, I have to get back to my client. I talk to her, and she said I should change it, just modify. So what I do now, I divide this name into two parts. Okay, Patmos, then I put business to it. You will see now this. Business to it, and it was accepted. Don't know why it's not. Okay, no, actually did something like this. Okay, now this is not what I did. Patmos business section. This is the one that was accepted. Why? Because Patmos section was not available, so I have to remodify the name by just dividing it Patmos business section, and it was approved. I was the one that registered this business. So because of time, I will end here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, and be among the first person that get notified whenever I upload a new video on this channel. Well done.